I'm going to, yes, Bete. Now we are going to do the back exercise of lesson number 3. Open your books and keep your pencils with you. You are to do the back exercise and you will answer, and later on I will tell you whether it is right or wrong. So first, on page number 19, there are fill in the blanks. Page number 19 is there. Fill in the blanks. A part. The northernmost range of the Himalayas is. Write down in the chat box also. Some students are writing Samarth. Samarth, unmute yourself and tell the answer. The northernmost range of the Himalayas is the Samarth. Unmute karo bete.
Yes, ma'am.
The answer. The northernmost range.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Himadri.
Very good. So, A part is, the first one is Himadri. Check the spellings carefully. Is it visible? Next one, Mount Godwin Austen is dash meter high. Samarth, lower your hand. Sakshi, you will tell the answer. Sakshi, unmute yourself.
The Mount Godwin Austen is 8,611 meters high.
Yes, it is 611 meter high. Those students who are not writing meters, वो बेटा wrong हो जाएगा. So you must write 8,611 meter is written. If it is not written, then you should write it. Okay. Next one is on page number 20. Gorika, read the sentence and then tell the answer.
Manali is a hill station in the Himachal Pradesh range.
हिमाचल प्रदेश नहीं लिखोगे बेटे, हिमाचल प्रदेश तो स्टेट बन जाएगी. रेंज का नेम लिखना है. सो आंसर विल बी हिमाचल रेंज. It should be Himachal. And you must see, I am writing in capital because these are the name of proper nouns, है ना. Name of ranges है, name of rivers या name of countries होता है, तो it should be written in capital. Some students are writing in small. Chat box में आप लिख रहे हो ना, तो ये small letters में नहीं आएगा बेटा. Write in capital. Okay. Himachal range. Next one is Namanjot. Namanjot, unmute yourself. And
the lower Himalayas are also known as the Shivalik.
yes, lower Himalayas का दूसरा नाम क्या है? शिवालिक. So you should write as capital शिवालिक. शिवालिक रेंज भी कह सकते हैं, शिवालिक. Clear? Very good. Some students are writing in the chat box. That's very good. Next is Vanshika Puri. Unmute yourself and read the 5th sentence.
The Purvanchal range lies in the northeastern part of India.
Very good. northeastern part of India. सी ईस्टर्न या नॉर्दर्न कुछ भी लिखना ना, पहले ईस्ट की स्पेलिंग लिख के देन ERN. सेम वे नॉर्दर्न में भी नॉर्थ लिख के ERN, साउथ लिख के ERN. क्लियर? पेज नंबर 20 है बच्चे. 19 पेज हमने कर लिया था, 20 पेज हमने कर लिया है. स्टार्ट. आई थिंक A part is clear to everyone. Now let's do the B part. B part I am writing here. Here you are to match the columns. Number one is mountains. Mountains are shown with which color? Kirat Saini, why are you writing your name, bache? Vanshika, lower your hand. Janit, you will tell. Mountains के साथ क्या मैच करेगा? Very good. Some students are writing in the chat box. Janit, you have raised your hand. Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, brown.
Brown. Now lower your hand and mute yourself. So mountains के साथ कौन सा मैच करेगा? Brown. So where brown is written, you should write one number there. Okay. 2 number plains. Mayank Dutt. Unmute yourself, Mayank. Mayank, you are unmuted, but your voice is not audible. Speak something. There is some problem, I think, at your side. Write in the chat box, Mayank. Very good. Yes, green. Green plains are shown with green color. So where green is written, you should write 2. Then comes desert. Desert, Anmoldeep Singh. Unmute yourself, Anmoldeep. Anmoldeep, unmute yourself. Okay, Anmol, speak bete. Yes, speak. Your voice is not audible. Desert.
मैम रिपीट कर दो.
Desert are shown with which color? I think you are taking help from someone. Who is helping you? Your brother, sister? Okay, Gaurika has given all the answers. Good. But Anmoldeep, you have not given me the answer. Deserts are shown with which color? No, light brown is wrong, bache. These are shown with yellow color. Okay. Deserts are shown with yellow color. Then plateau. Plateaus are shown with Madhvi. Madhvi, unmute yourself. Speak with it.
Ma'am dark brown.
Dark
No,
brown.
ma'am light brown.
Yes, light brown. Plateaus are shown with light brown color. So these are light brown. Then comes Kirat Sani. Unmute yourself, Kirat Sani.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Coastal plains are shown with which color?
Dark green.
Very good. Coastal plains are shown with dark green color. So, in your book, you will write this number 3, 1, 2, 5, 4. 3, 1, 2, 5, 4. Is it clear? यहाँ पे जहाँ पे ABCD लिखा हुआ था, you will write 3, 1, 2, 5, 4. Check it once. Clear? So next one is true or false. First is you are to write true or false. Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak in the Greater Himalayas. Write in the chat box. The Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak in the Greater Himalayas. True. Very good. सब बच्चे अपनी बुक में भी ट्रू लिख लो इसको. Very good. No need to raise your hands. Put your hands down. Lower कर लो hands को बच्चे. Second one is the northern mountains are a source of many rivers. Number डाल के लिखो बच्चे. Number 2. Yes, number 2 is also true. Number नहीं डालोगे तो how can I come to know whether you are giving answer of 1 or 2? Yes, number 2 is true. Number 3 is Oli is a famous tourist place of Jammu and Kashmir. False. Good. ये false है. इसकी correct statement क्या आएगी? What will be the correct statement? Sargun Aluwalia. Unmute yourself, Sargun.
Ma'am, Uttar Pradesh.
It's not Uttar Pradesh, बेटे. उत्तराखंड.
Uttarakhand.
उत्तराखंड जो है वहां पे है. Okay. Don't get confused. These are two different states. Uttar Pradesh different है. Uttarakhand different है. Clear? Show me your thumbs up if it is clear. Okay. Next is fourth one. Gangtok is the capital of Sikkim. Is it true or false? Number डाल के लिखो. Very good. Yes. So this is true. Fifth one is the slopes of the Shivalik range are covered with thick forest. The slopes of the Shivalik range are covered with thick forest. Number 5 डाल के लिखना बच्चे. True. Very good. So all are true except 3. Third one is false. बाकी सारे true. Have you done on your notebook, on your books? Show me your books in front of the camera. लेके आओ अपनी books. I want to see. I want to see whether you have completed, or show me your thumbs up if you have completed. Very good. Very good. I can see. Good. Good. Okay, down कर लो Mayank. Good. Now see, this was the back exercise. और आपने सबने अच्छे से किया. It means lesson is clear to everyone. I have some worksheet also for you. Activity है, छोटी सी हम activity करते हैं. So meanwhile I share the screen. Give me a minute. I will share the screen. So here is the activity which I have planned for you for the chapter 3, Northern Mountains. So let's do. First one is name 3 ranges of the northern mountains. Name 3 ranges of the northern mountains. Raise your hands. Okay, who will tell the answer? Akashdeep Singh, you please tell. Unmute yourself, Akashdeep. Akashdeep. आकाशदीप बेटे अपने आप को अनम्यूट करो. ओके सरगुन आलूवालिया, आप अपने आप को अनम्यूट करो बच्चे.
Karakoram range, Himalayan range, Purvanchal range.
Is it correct? Is it correct? Some problem is there, I think. Who will correct it? Who will correct it? Karakoram range. Second one is Sargun. Second one is Himalayan range and third one is Purvanchal range. Okay? आपने भी यही बोला था. चले. Next one is in which range Mount Godwin Austen located? In which range Mount Godwin Austen located? Yes, Sakshi, unmute yourself.
In Karakoram range,
Yes.
the Mount Godwin Austen is located.
Yes, Mount Godwin Austen is located in Karakoram range. Very good. Next one is Dash is the highest mountain peak of the world. पहले इतना बताओ. Dash is the Madhvi. Madhvi, unmute yourself. Dash is the highest mountain peak of the world.
Mount Everest.
Very good. Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak of the world and it is located in Dash range. कौन सी रेंज में है ये?
Himalayan range.
Yes. Himalayan या Greater Himalayan range. Clear? Greater Himalayas range या हिमाद्री रेंज कुछ भी आप इसमें से लिख सकते हैं. Clear? Okay. Next one is define parallel. Parallel. Pulkit Bansal, unmute yourself. Pulkit Bansal, you have raised your hand, bete. Unmute yourself. I think there is network issue. Pulkit Bansal, bete, you are. Not here. Define parallel.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good,
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning. Yes, Bede. What is parallel?
Ma'am, running side by side, but not meeting.
Yes. Parallel means anything which don't join, they run parallel. They run side by side. एक दूसरे के साथ साथ चलते हैं बट वो मिलते नहीं हैं. एग्जाम्पल इज रेलवे ट्रैक्स में जो लाइंस होती हैं दे रन पैरेलल. क्लियर? सो नेक्स्ट वन इज नाउ which state is not a part of northern mountain? Which state is not a part of northern mountain? जिनकी टर्न आ चुकी है they will not raise their hands.
मैम मेरी नहीं आई है.
ओके बोलो.
पंजाब, असम, उत्तराखंड.
रॉन्ग. इसमें से कौन सी स्टेट नॉर्दर्न माउंटेन नहीं है?
मेरी पेंसिल घुमा के रखी है.
Who is this? बेटा जी.
मैम पंजाब. मैम पंजाब.
Yes, Punjab state is not the part of northern mountains. Some students, bete, you please check whether you are muted or unmuted. You are talking with your parents. Next is Dash is the smallest mountain range in the world. Dash is the smallest mountain range in the world. Saransh Koda. Saransh, unmute yourself.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good morning. It's
Good
very
morning, ma'am.
yes, good morning. Give me the answer.
Ma'am.
Smallest mountain range.
Ma'am, I don't know. Please tell me.
Okay. Anyone else who knows? Why
Ma'am,
have you raised your hand then? Vanshika Puri, unmute yourself. Vanshika Puri, unmute. Yes, speak with it. Dash is the smallest mountain.
The word.
Speak again.
That's the mountain range in the world.
Your voice is not audible. Speak only the answer.
California is California.
No, बेटे रेंज का नेम बोलना है. The Sutter Buttes is the smallest mountain.
Sutter Buttes. Ma'am, Sutter Buttes.
Buttes नहीं Buttes. The Sutter Buttes is the smallest mountain range in the world. कैलिफोर्निया के अंदर है ये, नॉर्थ अमेरिका में. This is the smallest mountain range. Okay, next one is just a minute. गारो, खासी, जैंतिया, पटकाई, लुशाए आर डैश. पहले इतना बताओ. गारो, खासी, जैंतिया, पटकाई, लुशाई आर डैश. जिनसे पूछ लिया बेटे वो लोअर करो अपने हैंड्स सो दैट आई कैन सी अदर्स ऑल्सो. एकम आपकी टर्न आ चुकी है बच्चे. वंशिका आपकी टर्न भी आ चुकी है. धैर्य, धैर्य फोर्थ ग्रीन. स्पीक बेटे. गारो, खासी.
Purvanchal range.
are hills which are located in the Purvanchal range. पहले दो इसके blanks है बेटे, ध्यान से देखो. गारो, खासी, जैंतिया, पटकाई, लुशाई are hills which are located in Purvanchal range. Clear? So, okay, next one. Which state is not a part of Seven Sisters? Which state is not a part of Seven Sisters? Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim. 3 states दी हुई हैं. Okay, सीमा रानी के नेम से जो बच्चा है.
Ma'am, Sikkim.
Sikkim. Good. Sikkim, no doubt, state है, but it is not a part of Seven Sister States. Clear? So next one is choose the correct option. Okay, you are to tell mountains. Mountains will be yes, Harshita Benz. Harshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Mountains के लिए कौन सी correct option है?
Ma'am, brown.
Brown. Good. विनिशा राठौर. नेक्स्ट आप बोलोगे बेटे लद्दाख के लिए which option is the most suitable? विनिशा speak बेटे.
Yes.
हाँ, लद्दाख के लिए unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
लद्दाख के लिए कौन सी ऑप्शन आएगी ठीक? Which is the capital of Ladakh? It means you did not read the chapter. Have you read it? आपने पढ़ा ही नहीं है. लद्दाख के लिए आनी है बेटे लेह. लेह is the capital of Ladakh. Next one is सांचदीप. आप बोलो बच्चे सांचदीप. गंगोत्री.
Ganga.
गंगा. गंगोत्री के लिए गंगा. नेक्स्ट सुखवीर सिंह. आप बोलो बेटे. अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ सुखवीर.
Yes, ma'am.
Ollie.
Ma'am, Assam.
No, Ollie is not in Assam. ये तो अभी हमने blanks भी किए हैं. Sorry, true false में किया है.
Ma'am,
उत्तर.
I can.
Shivain.
Ma'am,
You have
Uttarakhand.
not raised your hand, and why are you speaking then? Uttarakhand is the correct answer. So this is all about today's work. Now I will take your doubts, but before that I want to stop sharing the screen.